everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in ThriveCart account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in thrivecart.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of ThriveCart. You'll be able to find several options like sign in, support, promote, contact, etc. So if you want to sign in to your account, simply click on the option sign in. Now you'll be redirected to the sign in interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the ThriveCart account and if you want to create the account for yourself, simply click on this option, don't have an account. After that you'll be able to create an account for yourself. If you already have the account and if you want to sign in to your account, what you have to do is enter your credentials. First of all, simply enter your email address. Click on the field of email address and enter it over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option I've forgotten my password. After that you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise simply enter your password. Now after entering the email address and password, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that you'll be signed in to your ThriveCart account. So that is how you sign in ThriveCart account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.